And now we have Dan Brown, the Warning Coordination Meteorologist from the National Hurricane Center, here with us, and he's going to tell us a little bit about why preparation is key during the off season, off part of the hurricane season. So Dan, tell us a little bit about why people need to prepare now.
Sure, and welcome everyone. I'm glad you could join us here on the 2018 NOAA Hurricane Awareness Tour. It's really important that we start talking about preparation before the start of the hurricane season. One of our former directors, Max Mayfield, said that the battle against the hurricane is won during the off season. And what he meant by that was saying that it's a time of year we have to do a lot of the outreach and education about the storms, but also make those preparedness, take those preparedness actions. One thing we do at the Hurricane Center, I'm the Warning Coordination Meteorologist, and at the Hurricane Center, much of our off season is spent teaching emergency managers about the dangers of hurricanes, about the dangers of storm surge, and about the Hurricane Center products and what the local forecast offices do. And by doing that, it gets us all prepared and them to make better decisions about telling you if you need to evacuate away from a hurricane. And so we spend many weeks teaching folks during the off season. But near the end of the off season, we do events like this to get out and talk to people about what they can do. One of the hat stops, I met some people that had just moved to the area from California, and it was they knew all about earthquakes but knew nothing about hurricanes. So again, these events provide us the opportunity to talk to people, making sure they know what they need to do, getting supplies on hand, having a plan, knowing if they have flood insurance or need flood insurance. Those are things that you can do before June 1st. The other thing to mention here in the Montgomery area is just how vulnerable you are to inland flooding. The other day we were in Beaumont, Texas, and I got to go to visit the rain gauge where more than 5 feet of rain fell from Hurricane Harvey. Again, Harvey stalled, and that could happen here too. We could get a system that's not even a hurricane, maybe just a tropical depression or tropical storm that moves inland and then dumps copious amounts of rain, causing tremendous flooding. We hope that doesn't happen, but if it does, you've got to be prepared. So those are the types of things that we should be thinking about as we head into the hurricane season. And when you hear a seasonal forecast, just know that it only takes one storm to be bad for our area. We hope it doesn't happen, but help us be prepared this hurricane season. Do your part and stay safe.
Well, thank you so much, Dan. We appreciate your time and for you guys being here. And I've got a question here about where this is located and how long it lasts. We are out here at the Montgomery Regional Airport, also known as Dannelly Field, here in Montgomery, Alabama. Public tours are from 2 p.m. until 5 p.m. So don't wait till 5 p.m. to get here. Gates will be closing, and one of the aircraft has to leave at that point in time. So be sure you get here well in advance of 5 p.m. so you have a chance to tour the aircraft and the other vendors that are here. Again, we are here at the Montgomery Regional Airport in Montgomery, Alabama. We're off of Highway 80, just a few miles from Interstate 65, and we are here at public tours from 2 to 5 p.m. and we look forward to seeing you later.